In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove NinjaTrader Add On. If you've installed a custom indicator, strategy, or utility, and it's time to clean things up, this walkthrough will show you the exact place in NinjaTrader to remove it safely and completely. Start by opening NinjaTrader Desktop. When the platform launches, make sure the Control Center is open. This is the main hub window with the menu bar across the top. It's where you manage workspaces, connections, and platform tools. The options we need live right here. With the Control Center in focus, go to the top menu and choose Tools, then select Remove Ninja Assembly. This opens a dedicated window that lists installed add-ons packaged as assemblies. Think of it as a library of third-party components that NinjaTrader can load or unload. In the window that appears, you'll see the names of the add-ons currently available to remove. Click the one you want to uninstall. If you're cleaning up several add-ons at once, you can select a range by holding the Shift key and clicking the first and last items in that range. Take a moment to confirm you've highlighted only what you intend to remove, especially if those components are used on active charts or strategies, because once they're gone, anything that depends on them may stop loading. When you're ready, click the Remove button. NinjaTrader will unregister the selected assembly or assemblies from the platform. This action focuses on the add-on itself. It doesn't delete your historical market data or your general platform settings. To finish the uninstall process, restart NinjaTrader. A full restart is important because it ensures the removed add-ons are no longer loaded into memory. Close the platform, then open it again as you normally would. After the restart, the platform will come back up without the removed components, so your workspace should load faster and cleaner if those add-ons were no longer needed. A quick recap. Keep the Control Center open. Go to Tools, choose Remove Ninja Assembly, select the add-on or add-ons you want to remove, using Shift for a range if needed. Click Remove, and then restart NinjaTrader to complete the process. If you don't see a particular item in the list, it may not be a compiled assembly, or it could be part of the core platform rather than a separate add-on. That's all there is to it. Follow these steps whenever you need to tidy up your NinjaTrader environment and keep only the tools you actively use.